Do, 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 do. We're going live, going live. Twitch TV, do do do, Twitch TV. Um, oh look, here we are. Sweet. I love it. It's like the eternal like da-doom, 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 da-doom forever. I love it. I absolutely love it. We are live. I had to check and make sure sound's actually coming through. Oh, it's coming through. That's awesome. I love this. I'm gonna do like this thing right here. It's like woo, 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 woo. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. It's so awesome. I love it. It just gotta go forever all the way down there. Like all the way. All the way. Look, you can watch the mouse like you go across every screen now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Serious. Yeah, serious. Uh, I'm not gonna show my stream right now. Um, let's see here. Um, Code Sandbox. We're going to build a tool that's going to help out our stream. A countdown. It's like when I'm ready to start streaming, like it'll come up, I can start, and there's like that nice countdown scenario. So let's build that. We're just going to build that real quick. And we'll test it out. So, new sandbox with React. Yeah, sure. Why not? Because I know what I'm doing there. Okay, so we need to create a countdown, and then once we have the countdown created, we'll, you know, we'll do it. Um, okay, so let's see here. Countdown. We need some state. So const time, and then we'll also do set time. And that is not how that works. It's an array. Hello, when we're destructuring, it's an array for use state in React. So then use state, and we will auto import that from React. And its default value will be date dot now. So we're going to leverage date dot now to do some counting for us. On use effect, we're going to use to create a little bit of a loop for us here. Return a function that is our cleanup. And then in here, we'll actually I can probably do it in here. Let's do this. Set timeout. And then this is going to be a thing that happens every, we'll just call it 100 milliseconds. I'm okay with that. And it will just set time to date dot now. And then the use effect needs doesn't need to re-render ever, like or redo things. Um, const handle, and then we can clear the timeout. Clear, doesn't matter. You can be interval timeout. They're the same underneath the hood. So we'll clear this timeout, and we're gonna pass it the handle to clear that, and then um, sure, we'll get rid of this, and then we'll just do time. Um, cool. Let's just see how this is behaving for us, huh? Huh. I think I want this to change every time time updates. There it goes. Every time time updates, now that updates. All right, now we need to have a countdown from, like where are we starting from? Um, so we'll just do this here. We'll just say count const timer length is equal to uh, minutes. Um, hmm. Timer length. So we got the length, and what do we need to do here? Um, want to take this length and we need to just give it a time. So I want it to be 5 minutes times 1000, sorry, times 60 for 60 seconds in a minute times 1000 for 1000 milliseconds. There we go. All right, so timer length. All right, so then we're going to do um, const stop timer. So when the date gets to date.now plus the timer length, that's in the future of when we want to stop the timer. Um, so then how do I display the difference? Stop timer minus date.now. And it broke. Um, hmm. Plus the timer length. Like times just some random value. What is it? What is it exploding about? Open in a new window. Oh, wouldn't it have been nice if there was an error? But there's not. There's no error. There is no error, guys. No error. What shall we do? There is no error. Why? So that works. Okay, I can add them. Doesn't fail, but if I minus them, it just stops after a little bit. Const, wow. Const start time is equal to um, date dot now. So then start time is these ones here. And then stop time minus date dot now. So if time changes, re-render it. What else is it complaining about in here? Stop timer? Sure. It still just goes down a little bit and then ends. I mean, 300 um, seconds is what I'm looking to do, which is right there. So why do you stop just after a little bit? Why would you stop? If this is plus, it has no problem. $1,000 minus console.log. Geez, come on. We're gonna console.log this start timeout because I have a hard time seeing what's happening. Oh, it's being redefined every time. Nope. Nope. Let's try this again. Use ref so that it doesn't get redefined every time. Um, okay, we'll try it again down here. Use ref. auto import that. There we go. And I can use ref here. But one thing I do want to call out is that now that since I'm using use ref here, they won't get recreated on every render. Um, let's see. But I'm going to destructure this and get current as these. And I'm not going to ever assign current, I don't think. There we go. Now start time is not really changing a whole bunch like it was before. Um, Start time is in the future though. Stop timer is the one I want, sorry. There we go. Now we're counting down. Cool. So then how do we take this number and make it look uh, helpful, I guess? Um, so what I'm going to do here is just come here and say const minutes. So how do we get the minutes? Minutes would be time divided by 1,000 divided by 60 and math dot floor that. I think that's a capital M. Capital M. All right, and then I've got minutes, seconds, and we just get rid of the 60 for the seconds. Oh, but how do we get the leftover seconds? All right, let's just see here. Minutes. Did we get minutes? Minutes has already been declared. Oh, we'll just call those mil for now. So it's 2. Oh, that's neat. Got a whole refresh going on there. So how do I get the seconds? Time subtract minutes times 1,000 times 60. So bad. Format doesn't save. Oh, it didn't wrap. Seconds is always 0. But minutes feels right. But I don't divide this by 60 because I don't need the minutes piece. Ooh, it's looking good. Let's see here. Const mil minutes is equal to this. Nice. It looks about right. So mil minutes, and then I can take mil minutes and drop it in here like this. And then I'm gonna do milliseconds. So we can get um, let's see, milliseconds is just seconds times 1,000. Seconds times 1,000. Then I can do time minus mil minutes minus mil seconds. And then that will give me the mil, but I just want to divide these by 10. I want tenths of a second, I guess. So we'll just call this tenths. And we'll put it right here. Tenths. I need to divide that by 100 actually to get tenths. There we go. And I can just put a 0 in there, hard code it. No, that's the wrong spot. That goes here. Yeah, it doesn't feel so off now. All right. See if we can get this if statement in there in 1 minute. If time, stop time, is less than date dot now, return. And don't do anything. Let's see what happens when we get to 0. Here it goes. Oh, and it just stops after it does reset. Set refresh. Um, just for education's sake, so we can learn and see what's going on here. Let's just say this is 3 seconds. Interesting. I have an idea. Const timer stopped. Set timer stopped. Use date. False. Not this one here. Set timer stopped. True. Um, Timer stopped. Do this. Otherwise, do this. And here we'll just replace this with the 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, look at that. All right, seconds. Seconds less than 10. Supply them with a 0. Otherwise, supply them with null. Seconds is less than 10. Let's try that again. There it is. Whoa, what is up, Cooper? Woot woot. Long time no see. And at the new channel, you found the new channel. Woot. We had a lot of legal issues and other crap. Some inflicted by Twitch, some inflicted by Google Chrome, which I won't get into. But we had to create a new channel, and here we are. Life is so much better. I had to fix some things in the Discord, but we are on a path for victory now. And now I'm getting a timer set up so that when I'm getting ready to like go, there'll just be this screen that shows up, and it'll just be like counting down for 5 minutes, and then we know we'll start. And I'm also going to probably start streaming mostly during the day. Mostly during the day. So long journey ahead of us to get affiliated again so we can have all the affiliate funds, but we'll get there. I'm not too worried. You'll be able to watch? Ooh, that's good. Goody, goody, good. That'll be super awesome. Super awesome. Okay, so now that we've got this timer, it's okay if you're not here all the time. I won't judge. Now that we've got this timer, we need to set up some styles. I'm gonna just say we need. Um, you still have bad internet. Oh no. Um, uh, what am I looking for here? Flexbox display. No one wants you inline. No one wants inline. That's not a thing anyone wants. There we go. Um, justify content, center, and align items, center, and height 100%, and width. Although this doesn't matter because it's a div, 100%. And then I'm gonna just take this chunk right here. Whoops. Post it up here. And we'll do this to body, sorry, HTML and body. And what are we missing now? Oh, root. There it is. All right. Background will be Rebecca purple. Gotta bring it back. Oh my gosh. Margin 0. Padding 0. Margin that. We need those guys in there. Those colons. Does that help? That helps. Nice. Okay. And then color. Hot pink. Go broker, go home. Okay. Now we need to do the H1 here, which I'm not going to get too fancy. We'll just select it that way. We'll say font size 100 pixels. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm feeling that. Okay, so we got 100 pixels. If we refresh it, this is just count down from 3 seconds. Oh, it looks so nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. So, what else do we need? I would like the 0 in front of the minutes, so we'll just do the same thing here for minutes. And then if I refresh this, yeah, there we go. No glitchiness. I love it. Last little bit is to change it back to our long time instead of our short time. And refresh this gun. Nice. Okay, so now if I wanted to do a countdown for my channel, I'm going to take this little link here. I'm going to create a new scene, which we'll call countdown. And it's black. There's nothing in here. I'm going to add a new source. Nope. Gosh, come on. Trash that. countdown. Needs a source, and we'll give it a website, a browser source. Add source. We'll call it count down. You guys can't see what I'm doing. It's just black, which is fine. Just wait for it. Okay. So I can give it a URL. I can tell it the width. We'll say 1920 by 1080. Use custom frame rate, no. Control audio via OBS. Neat. Shut down source when not visible. Refresh browser when scene becomes active. Yes. Done. Now we have this countdown happening. If I switch to like a different screen, like here we go, here I am, but then if I switch back to the countdown, it starts all over. There's a little bit of a lag here, which I'm trying to, like for a moment it shows some giant other value, which I don't know. I don't know what it's showing. How about we do this? Set the timer here to false. So we'll say, hey, be false, but by default be true. So we don't show any weird laggy stuff until, oh, it still shows weird laggy stuff. Huh. What over here? Still shows weird laggy stuff. I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. But now we have a stream countdowner, timer thingamabobble. We did it! Yes! Now when I get ready to stream, I can be like, boom. Oh, Coop, by the way, he still doesn't follow me, question mark. Just say it. But you don't have to. I mean, I won't judge you if you don't follow me. I won't judge. Okay, cool. There we go. When we're ready to stream again tomorrow, I'll start this timer and you'll come here and you'll see the timer and then like it'll get to 0 and then it'll go and it'll fade and it'll do our really cool intro thingy mabobble. Maybe, I think. But yeah. It'll be super cool. We're gonna be so professional this time. So professional. All right, that's gonna be it for me today. We built our timer and I will probably be back on same time tomorrow. So it's 11 a.m. Mountain, 10 a.m. Pacific, noon, big noon if you're Central, and 1 p.m. Eastern. And if you're outside of those time zones, I have no idea what time my stream is on. But there you go. We'll see you later. Bye.